What are the Shariah-compliant investment options? Industrial expert Anuj Kapil will elaborate about this.
How we are going to make money in the Sharia coverage universe. So we have all the market leaders which are into the IT, consumer durables, oil and gas, automobiles, industrial products, capital goods, metals, textiles, and many more like cements, infrastructure. There are many companies, but in infrastructure, we are going to buy only those companies which are not having any debt. So that is also one of the main thing. So we can opt in large cap, mid cap, and small cap companies. In Sharia and US, let me tell you, we are not allowed to buy a micro cap companies. So any companies which are having a less than 2000 crore of market cap, it's not allowed in Sharia unions. So there will be a less volatility when there will be a market action, like sometimes market goes down, sometimes market goes up. So volatility will be less. If I am going to make a long-term portfolio, then the volatility needs to be settled down at the level.
Thanks for your detailed answer.
If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.